Hi, this video is the video for the testimonial on the patient who have had a surgery done by me, Dr. John Diep. He had a surgery done a year ago, and the result is fantastic. It's excellent, very natural and dense. Before the patient will share his experience with us, I would like to show you what he looked like before. But this is what his hair now. Very nice and natural, and it grows very dense. And you can see now before that, look at his before photo. That's what he looks like. Go ahead, focus closer. He lost half of the hairline. You can see quite a bit already. And on the right top, you see from zoom out. You can see he lost quite a bit. So we lower his hairline quite a bit. This on the right side view, left side view. This is what it looked like. We lowered like 3 inches. This is the back. And look at this patient now. And let me show you his back. Look it down. Looks good. Okay, so my patient here, Kieran, he will share his experience. He will share his experience with the audience, how he go about finding me, why he chose my clinic, and what's it like on the surgery days, and what's the recovery period, and when he found the hair start growing out. Go ahead, Kieran. Speak to the audience.
Oh yeah, meaning I was looking up internet, and we know that certain famous people did this hair transplant and it worked for them. But I was trying to find a doctor who would really implement it and make it work for me. I used to see this, what you call commercials of this hair transplant and hair, that kind of what you call, which are chain of this thing. I was not much impressed. I didn't want to go into some marketing thing where they have some predefined something. I don't know. Meaning I've been to one more doctor in Bay Area, and I see that it was just his office. It was on his own, and there was nothing more going on. So I was not much impressed. But when I came here for MHTA. And met a doctor, he was actually performing this operation on a patient, and I was allowed to go to the operation room and see the operation being performed on a patient. I was pretty impressed by the before and after picture that the doctor showed me, and so I decided, means what I see with my eyes and what I actually see in the pictures is and I also saw some YouTube videos that were put up by the MHTA on the on internet. So that's why I decided to go with MHTA and Dr. John Diep. So yeah, pretty much it was very pleasant meeting the doctor, and he set up a very quick appointment with me, and on the day of the actual operation or surgery, meaning it was very pleasant coming to the office of doctor at Bay Area. It was pretty cool. I was very relaxed, and I don't after entering the operation room, I don't remember much, till like afternoon when the surgery was done. And it didn't affect me much, meaning by the time I left around 4 o'clock, I could drive home, and that's it. I think I did the surgery on Saturday, and I was pretty much back to work on Monday. So it's little uncomfortable, like first couple of days, and you need to be careful because of the surgery, but nothing too much uncomfortable. And so as the days go by, it becomes more and more normal. And I did start seeing the growth by I think 3 months or so, and by around like 6 to 8 months, I think I had all the growth that I could see. And the best I could see was around like around 10 to 12 months time, when I could see all the possible results that you can see now.
Well, thank you very much,
Thanks.
Karen, for sharing the experience with the audience, because the audience want to know how he go about to find the surgery, and how is it like on the surgery day and when it start growing out. And what I noticed that even though it's been a year, he has some hair still growing out. So in general, it take a full year, but sometimes it takes even a year and a half or even 2 years for 100% growth. And so hair transplant is an art form, and I repeat it quite a bit. It is quite a lot of artistic and aesthetic detail to have a very natural result. And a patient like him, I'm very happy with the result. It grows very nice, it fits his face, and the density is good. And this is what he is now. And you see he has excellent result. And before we go, I want you to cut back and see what he looked like before. And that was him. Very high hairline all the way up here. And then this is what it looked like close up from the half of his head. His hair reaching beyond the mature hairline. Right side view, left side view, from here all the way here. This is the back, and the back is covered up, and this is what he looked like now. I checked the chart. We did 2,020 something graft.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's excellent. So we did around at least 1,500 to 1,700 in the front, and the rest I put in the back. And so that's what he looks like before. And this is what he looks like right now. And Karen, thank you for sharing the experience with us. Bye-bye.